To access the iTurret, a user ID and password needs to be entered. Once entered, we need to log on. You can now see that all voice services are available. We will now run through how to move an incoming call from handset 1 to handset 2 or onto the headset. You can see I've answered my incoming call and it's currently on handset 1. In order to move that to handset 2 or the headset, you just double press the key. I'm now on handset 2. Each iTurret can support 2 handsets or 1 handset and 1 headset. To make a call, we can just dial a number. As you can see, CLI has been passed between the 2 calls. In order to clear a speaker, we press the key twice and we just press what channel we'd like to clear. So press the key twice and press what channel we'd like to clear. To add a line back onto a speaker, we'll first go to the page where my hoops sit. I will then select that line and select what key I would like on the speaker. We will now show you how to transfer an incoming call. As you can see, the line is ringing. I will answer that line. I will press the transfer key. I will dial the number that I need to transfer to. You can see now the line is ringing. Once I've transferred, I need to re-press the transfer key to pass the call. Your speaker 801, you have the function to set some group keys. Here you can see I have 3 private circuits. I will group them. I press F2, my program key, and I add the lines I want into them groups. Once selected, I press F2 to save. You can see now if I use my key, all 3 lights come on and I can shout down my microphone to all private wires. We have the ability to add speed dials to our line modules. Firstly, press OK, tab across to the right, tab down, you will see speed dials and you will see an add function. It's now asking us where do we want to add our key. I'm pressing that line. It's now telling me what is my short or long label. I'm going for a short label. Once I've saved that, it's asking me for the address. I will do 2001. It's now saying, would I like to save? Yes. Once this is saved, as you can see it's saving. Once I press the line, you can see that my speed dial has worked. Manual and automatic ring downs are also available for private circuits. An automatic ring down will automatically send in a signal. For a manual ring down, as you can see MRD, if I press my private circuit, you will see that a signal key comes up. Once I press that signal key, that will send a burst of ringing to the far end. Once the private circuit has been attached to my speaker, in order to talk down that private circuit, I will select the line and talk 1, 2, 3. You can see indication on the other turret shows 1, 2, 3 that I'm talking. The Speakerbus turrets also have a conferencing function. As you can see, I have an incoming call that I will answer. I will now press the conference key. I will now dial my new number in. You can see on the second phone, you can now see that all parties are in that conference.